Here I have Realme 9 Pro Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card into this device. So to do this, firstly you have to remove case from your device. So I don't know if I have to explain you how to do this. And after you remove the case, what you have to do is to get yourself a tool like this one in order to eject SIM card slot, which is located right here. So what you do, you just put this tool inside the hole next to the slot, slightly push it, and the slot pops out. Here you have two slots for SIM card. Here you have SIM 1 and here SIM 2. So let's insert it to SIM 1 and then put it inside device. And as you can see, it immediately requires PIN code to my SIM card, which is the proof that SIM card is detected. So yeah, that's how it's done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.